Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam and I'm back today with a very quick Trader Joe's haul. There's not a ton of items, but I still wanted to share with you in case it inspires you to get some of these items. So if you guys love hauls, if you love Trader Joe's, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, starting off with this bag, I got some freeze-dried mangoes. This is actually already opened. We love this, great for snacking. And because the only ingredient is mango, you don't feel as guilty having this. So I just love having this in the pantry all the time. Something not so healthy are these elote corn chips. These are delicious, a little bit on the salty side, so I can't really have too many without my gums kind of feeling like they're gonna rip. But I do like the flavor and I think it's so good dipped in salsa or guacamole or whatever kind of dipping that you have. This here is some walnut pieces. This is absolutely great for baking, especially if you like making banana bread. I love putting walnuts in my banana bread, so mainly why I like to get this. I already use some of it, so. And then this bag is not opened yet, but it is some raw cashews. Also just love having raw cashews as a snack because it's got kind of like a sweetness, and then it's a great way if you're looking for vegan cheese options. This makes really good cheese sauce, so love having cashews on hand. All right, I have some fish tacos not too long ago, so I grabbed this and I love it. I put it in my air fryer and it gets nice and crispy. I put it in some tortilla with a little bit of coleslaw and you've got some delicious fish tacos really quickly. So I love getting this, and honestly this was my first time getting this type of a thing from Trader Joe's and I love it. I highly recommend if you like fish fillets. Another freezer items that is perfect for this weather since it is really hot still are these fruit bars. This one has raspberry, lemon, and strawberry in it. Absolutely delicious, kind of like Outshine bars that you get at regular grocery stores, except this one has 3 different layers, so 3 different flavors. And you know, it's not too bad. I like to have it all the time, but I do like to just have it sometimes in my freezer. That I have not tried is this Bazaar Basket Mix. I saw this on the Instagram account Trader Joe's list and picked it up because it's got almonds, apricots, chickpeas, sour cherries, and pistachios. So kind of a unique mix of nuts and dried fruits that you usually don't see in these types of trail mixes. So I figured this would be delicious just on the road as a little snack, just to hold me over between meals. And the last item in this bag is some cage-free eggs, just a dozen eggs for breakfast to put in breakfast sandwiches, scrambled, whatever, or even in baking. So just kind of getting in the habit of having eggs again. All right, I already told you this is gonna be a short haul. The first bag is already done, so moving on to the second. Right at the top, I haven't gotten this for a few trips at least, but this coconut whip is absolutely delicious. Love having this on top of some fruit or whatever it is, and I really like the flavor. Much better than whipped cream. So I actually prefer this over whipped cream. No trip is now complete without getting some cat treats. So just got another bag of these cat treats. New item for me, this is some spicy pasta sauce. This is absolutely new. I have not tried this yet. Spicy chunky tomato and pepper. You know that I love my spicy sauces. And coming out with a spicy pasta sauce, I am sold. I only got 1 jar because I want to try it out, see if it's really that different. And then if I love it, I'll get more. Okay, I was just craving something sweet, so pick this up. Some soft licorice twist. I heard this was seasonal, this berry flavor at least, so I figured why not give it a try before it's gone. And I can tell you it is pretty good if you like licorice. The only thing is that it gets stuck all over your teeth. So if you're not gonna meet anyone soon after, this would be a great treat to have in the car. This is kind of a random item, but I've got some saltwater taffy. I got this because I have a guest bedroom that I like to put either chocolates out on or like these types of little individually wrapped candies. Couldn't really find any chocolate that I was really liking. There was a coffee one that I didn't want and a bunch of dark chocolate ones that I didn't want because I just wanted some very enjoyable, easy chocolates to put out. So I decided why not try some saltwater taffy instead. So this is from my guest bedroom and I'm sure other people in the house will have it too. All right, a drink that I got was this cold brew berry tea. This one is raspberry and black currant actually. So it's black tea that is flavored. I don't know if there's any sugar. It looks like there is a little bit of organic cane sugar in it, so it's probably a little bit sweetened. But one bottle is 45 calories, so not too bad. Okay, and the last item I got was this zero sugar root beer. And this is non-alcoholic, of course. Root beer is non-alcoholic. But I got this because I've heard that it's actually really good. And the fact that it's zero sugar really is intriguing that it's that good. And I was especially excited. It's actually sweetened with a blend of erythritol, stevia, monk fruit, so all the better sweeteners out there, the ones that don't spike your blood sugar level, your glycemic index, so the better sugars that are actually kind of expensive. That is why I grabbed this, figured I could put it in the fridge, it would get nice and cold, maybe even have a root beer float. I haven't had one of those in so long, so I should have picked up some ice cream while I was at it. Just wanted to try this out and see why everyone was raving about it. All right, there you guys go. That is my Trader Joe's haul for this week. Told you it wasn't too big, it's nice and small, but just get ready because pumpkin season is about to fall on Trader Joe's and I'm excited. It actually already has fallen. I've already seen little snippets of people buying pumpkin things, so that just means the next haul is going to be amazing and I cannot wait. So if you guys love hauls and you love Trader Joe's, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.